When you're considering Toggl plan for your time management needs, there are 12 important things you should know before making the final decision. We'll break it down, comparing Toggl plan with competitors like Asana, Trello, and Monday.com, so you can be sure it's the right tool for you. First off, Toggl plan offers a sleek, user-friendly interface designed to be simple to navigate. It's perfect if you want something that doesn't overwhelm you with complexity. Unlike Asana or Monday.com, which can sometimes feel a little heavy with their features, Toggl plan keeps things streamlined. Next thing to consider is its integration capabilities. Toggl plan integrates with popular tools like Google Calendar, Slack, and more, making it easy to sync your tasks and stay organized. However, compared to Trello's wide variety of third-party app integrations, Toggl's options are a bit more limited. The third thing is pricing. Toggl plan is relatively affordable, especially for small teams. It offers a free plan for basic usage, which can be a huge win for startups. But when compared to Trello's entirely free model or Monday.com's more feature-heavy plans, the price can add up quickly, especially if you're looking for premium features. The fourth thing is task management. With Toggl plan, you can organize tasks visually using a timeline or a simple to-do list. It's intuitive, but it doesn't offer the same depth as something like Asana or Monday.com, which allow for more detailed task tracking and customization. Moving on, Toggl plan has a strong project overview feature. It lets you track multiple projects at once, all in one place. This makes it easy to see where things stand across all your tasks. While this feature is nice, it can feel less robust than something like Monday.com's WorkOS, which is built for managing more complex workflows. The sixth thing you should know is that Toggl plan doesn't have a built-in time tracking feature, which may be a deal breaker for some. If time tracking is essential, you might want to look into Toggl Track, which is part of the same company, or a competitor like Harvest. The seventh thing is the visual timeline feature. It allows you to create and manage schedules with drag and drop functionality. While it's smooth, if you're working on multiple large projects, it might feel a bit too basic compared to the more customizable timelines available in Monday.com. Now, let's talk collaboration. Toggl plan allows you to invite team members, assign tasks, and share timelines easily. But when compared to Asana or Trello, its collaboration features can feel a bit limited. You don't get features like It Mentions or real-time document editing, which those tools offer. The ninth thing is the mobile app. Toggl plan has a solid app, but it's not as fully featured as its desktop counterpart. If you rely heavily on mobile access, you might find tools like Trello or Asana provide more extensive app functionality. Next, Toggl plan is ideal for teams looking for simplicity. It's not bogged down by unnecessary features, making it great for smaller teams who don't need the complexity of something like Monday.com. But if you're a large organization looking for highly customizable workflows, Toggl plan may not be your best bet. The 11th thing to keep in mind is the lack of advanced reporting tools. If data-driven decision-making is important to your team, tools like Asana or Monday.com provide far more in-depth analytics and reporting options. Lastly, Toggl plan offers a free trial, which lets you test out all the premium features. This is a great way to evaluate whether it's the right fit for you before making any commitments. In conclusion, Toggl plan is a solid option for teams looking for simplicity, visual task management, and ease of use. It's great for small teams and individuals who don't need advanced features. But if you're looking for something with more customization, advanced collaboration tools, or deeper reporting, you might want to check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free.